having savings will benefit you in the future. Whether you're trying to avoid some kind of hardship in the future or going after things you really want, like how can you buy a business or finance a house or, get your app developed, whatever it is, if you have nothing to start off with. Having savings will also make it easier for you to have clear goals and a purpose.
Unlock the secrets to saving thousands with these 20 money-saving tips. Your path to financial freedom starts here. Feeling like your paycheck disappears faster than a magic trick? Stacks of bills, overflowing shopping carts, takeout containers, fancy coffee cups. Do you dream of a future where your bank account doesn't cry every time you open it? We've all been there. But fear not, because today we're embarking on a journey to financial freedom armed with 20 powerful money-saving tips that could save you thousands. Now let's get started, but first let's save that money.
You sit down and do your dadgum budget, maybe for the first time in your life. Put your income for the month at the top of the page and then give every dollar an assignment. I will promise you two things will happen. Number one thing will happen is that you will feel like you got a raise because you will go, where is all this freaking money going? It's going to blow your mind how much you waste. And the second thing that's going to happen is you're going to get a sense of peace instead of a sense of anxiety, even though you've actually done nothing with money yet.
Number 20, make a budget. Making a budget is like drawing a map for your money journey. It's your tool for financial clarity, guiding you towards your goals. Without it, you risk losing track and overspending. Take control of your finances today. Start budgeting and watch your savings grow. It's the first step to financial freedom. Number 19, say goodbye to debt. Bid farewell to debt and reclaim your financial freedom. Every dollar spent on interest is a dollar lost. Take charge of your finances by prioritizing debt repayment. It's a journey worth embarking on, one that leads to a brighter, debt-free future. You deserve to live without the burden of debt weighing you down. Number 18, set a savings goal. Having a specific savings goal gives you something to work towards. Whether it's building an emergency fund, saving for a vacation, or buying a home, set a goal and create a plan to achieve it. Remember, the stronger your motivation, the easier it is to stay on track. Number 17, save money automatically. Set up automatic savings to effortlessly build your financial nest egg. Direct deposit a portion of your paycheck into savings before spending. Out of sight, out of mind, watch your savings grow without even lifting a finger. It's the easiest way to secure your financial future. Number 16, buy generic. Opt for generic brands and save big without sacrificing quality. Many generic products are identical to brand name items but cost less. From groceries to household essentials, switching to generic brands is a smart way to stretch your budget further without compromising on value or taste. Number 15, meal plan. Meal planning can help you save money by reducing food waste and avoiding impulse purchases. Plan your meals based on what you already have, what's on sale, and what's quick and easy to make. Stick to your grocery list to avoid overspending. Number 14, cancel subscriptions and memberships. Trim unnecessary expenses by evaluating subscriptions and memberships. Identify services you no longer use or need and cancel them. Every subscription canceled is money saved, bringing you closer to your financial goals. Take control of your budget by cutting back on non-essential expenses. Number 13, adjust your tax withholdings. Optimize your tax withholdings to keep more money in your pocket throughout the year. Avoid overpaying taxes and receiving large refunds. Adjust your withholdings to match your actual tax liability, giving you extra cash flow to use towards your financial goals. It's a simple yet effective way to maximize your income. Number 12, check your insurance rates. Review your insurance policies to ensure you're getting the best rates and coverage. Compare quotes from multiple providers to find potential savings. Don't settle for overpaying or being underinsured. Take control of your insurance costs and protect your finances with the right coverage at the best price. Number 11, reduce energy costs. Cut your energy bills by implementing simple yet effective strategies at home. From taking shorter showers to using energy-efficient appliances, small changes can lead to significant savings. Be mindful of your energy usage and adopt eco-friendly habits to lower your utility costs while reducing your environmental footprint. Number 10, pack your lunch. Save money and eat healthier by packing your lunch instead of dining out. Plan nutritious and cost-effective meals that you can enjoy at work or on the go. By preparing your own meals, you'll avoid the temptation of pricey restaurant options and have
Today we're going to talk about how to save money by not eating out. Whether you're going out to dinner with friends or grabbing takeout during lunch for work, you can spend a lot of money just by eating out. The average person spends about $400 to $500 a month just on getting food rather than cooking it at home. So today we're going to talk about 3 tips you can do to actually save money by not eating out. First, you want to plan out your meals so you know what you're going to eat throughout the week. Once you've actually planned out your meals, cooking it the night before will help save time and remove any urges of going out and getting some takeout food. So for example, if you're cooking dinner, you might as well go ahead and make that lunch so you have it ready for tomorrow. Lastly, buying ready-to-eat meals are a perfect way to save time and money. So pop it in the microwave, you know it's going to be ready to go in 2 minutes.
Number 9, stop eating out. Ditch expensive restaurant meals and opt for homemade alternatives to save big. Cooking at home not only slashes your food expenses, but also allows for healthier, customizable meals. Take control of your budget and culinary choices by prioritizing home-cooked meals over dining out. Number 8, use your employer's retirement match. Maximize your retirement savings by taking advantage of your employer's 401k match. It's like free money that boosts your long-term financial security. Contribute enough to earn the full match and watch your retirement nest egg grow faster without any additional effort. Secure your future with this valuable employee benefit. Number 7, switch your cell phone plan. Lower your monthly expenses by exploring better cell phone plan options. Compare providers to find a plan that offers the features you need at a lower cost. Don't hesitate to negotiate with your current provider or switch to a more affordable option to save money without sacrificing quality.
So how do you do a no spend year or month? First thing you need to do is set yourself a spend amount. Second is to only replace essential items. 3 is to meal plan. 4 is to declutter your home by using things up. 5, wait 30 days before making a purchase. And 6, be resourceful and make gifts where possible.
Number 6, try a no-spend month. Challenge yourself to a no-spend month and reset your spending habits. Commit to only purchasing essentials and cutting out non-essential expenses for 30 days. By embracing a needs-based budgeting approach, you'll uncover potential savings opportunities and develop a healthier relationship with money. Number 5, DIY everything. Save money by embracing a do-it-yourself mindset for home projects and repairs. With tutorials and resources available online, you can tackle tasks like painting, repairs, and simple renovations yourself. By investing time and effort, you'll reduce labor costs and gain a sense of accomplishment while improving your home on a budget. Number 4, skip the coffee shop. Break the expensive coffee shop habit and brew your own Java at home. Invest in quality beans and equipment to enjoy cafe-quality coffee for a fraction of the price. By skipping the coffee shop, you'll save money and start your day on a budget-friendly note without sacrificing taste or convenience. Number 3, use cashback apps and coupons. Maximize your savings with cashback apps and coupons. Clip coupons or use digital ones to save on everyday purchases. Explore cashback apps that offer rewards for shopping at your favorite stores. By combining these strategies, you can stretch your budget further and make every dollar count toward your financial goals. Number 2, refinance your mortgage. Consider refinancing your mortgage to lower your monthly payments or pay off your loans sooner. With today's low interest rates, refinancing could save you thousands over the life of your loan. Explore your options and consult with a trusted financial advisor to see if refinancing is right for you. Number 1, learn the power of no or not now. Harness the transformative power of saying no or not now to impulse spending. Delaying gratification allows you to prioritize long-term financial goals over short-term desires. By resisting the urge to make impulse purchases, you'll cultivate discipline and strengthen your financial well-being. Embrace the freedom that comes with conscious spending decisions and pave the way for a more secure and fulfilling financial future. Saving money isn't always easy, but with these tips, you can take control of your finances and work towards a brighter financial future. Remember, every small change adds up, so start implementing these tips today and watch your savings grow. Here's to a more prosperous and financially secure future. And as we wrap up today's discussion, I encourage you to stay curious about your finances. Keep exploring new ways to save, invest, and grow your wealth. The journey to financial freedom is ongoing, and the more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Thanks for joining us today, And until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and continue your journey towards financial success. Take care.